in the heart of Walnut Creek, where privacy meets natural beauty, and in an incredible price of just $1,725,000. Prepare for views that steal your breath away, offering not just scenery, but absolute peace of mind. A pool that invites you to unwind, and total seclusion that makes this your personal sanctuary, far from the outside world. Every corner tells a story of elegance, and every detail is meticulously crafted to match your sophisticated taste. This isn't just a house for sale, it's a legacy to own. Walnut Creek, the ultimate address for luxury living. Schedule your private tour today before it's gone. Call now.
All right, so stick with me until we get inside this house. You're going to love this home tour. This is 2085 Magnolia Way in Walnut Creek, and I promise you the curb appeal is not the best part of this house. The inside of this home is phenomenal, and the views are amazing. The backyard, this home really has it all. This is 2085 Magnolia Way in Walnut Creek, California. This home's listed at $1,725,000, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,545 square feet. It's on a 13,000, almost 14,000 square foot lot, built in 1961. And yeah, see what I mean? As soon as you walk in this front door, you're wowed by all of these skylights, all the windows, all the natural light, the high vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, tongue and groove, wood on the ceiling, large fireplace. Yeah, I was not expecting this home to be this amazing once I walked through that front door. So I mean, all of the windows, it's just almost all of the walls are all window on the back and the side of this house, which is just amazing. Lets in tons of natural light. And then of course, all of those skylights. I mean, I don't know if I've ever seen, I don't know, what is that, 6 skylights just in the living room alone. Yeah, very impressive. So you've got that living room, and then you've got this little family room, both with fireplaces. This is a huge fireplace, by the way. It looks like it's maybe 4 feet high. And then you've got the kitchen off to the side here. So the kitchen does open to the family room and the living room both. You've got this big island right in the middle of this kitchen. It's got really nice high-end stainless steel appliances, more skylights, of course. And it does have views out over all of Walnut Creek through the side over here. But yeah, look, I mean, these appliances are in great condition. Cabinets, everything in here is really nice. It's not like freshly remodeled, but yeah, here are those views I was talking about. We've got a great outdoor little dining area right there as well. We'll get out there in a bit. But yeah, this kitchen is not like freshly remodeled, but it's in great shape. I mean, looks like, I think these are quartz countertops. The cabinets are all really nice. The appliances are great. So I don't think you'd have to change anything in there unless you just, didn't like the color scheme or something like that. But kitchen's in really nice shape. You've got a full bathroom over here. And this probably kind of acts also as the bathroom to use for the backyard for like a changing area or whatever. You see a door right there that goes out to the side yard. So that leads out to that balcony and out to the swimming pool. You got your laundry in there, shower stall. So yeah, so that would come in pretty handy for, using the bathroom when you're entertaining outside. So that'd be for guests or, like I said, for changing and stuff, or getting in and out of the swimming pool. So all of the bedrooms are on this side. You've got a bedroom here. This will be bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom with a ceiling fan. And as I mentioned, there is 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is bedroom number 2. Average size bedroom. Big hall bathroom here. Dual sinks. Large updated vanity. Got the shower over tub. And this one also has a door that leads out to the side yard. And you can get around to the pool from that area as well. Bedroom number 3. And you can see all of the doors have been replaced. All the flooring looks like it's been replaced. Everything's in great shape. All the hardware, everything's really nice. This is the primary suite. Love the high vaulted ceilings, the tongue and groove wood. Really, really nice. And you've got that slider that looks out over the backyard and the pool, which is amazing. So here's the primary bathroom, large shower stall, another skylight, and dual sinks, updated vanity, and a walk-in closet. Yeah, really nice primary suite. And I mean, this is the best part. Look at your views. completely private, so you wouldn't have to have the slider covered up with blinds or anything, because nobody can see in there. So completely private. You got a slider, you step right out into your beautiful backyard. Nice big swimming pool, built-in spa, grass area, and then you come over here and you've got your deck, and this is kind of like the dining area and the hangout area. And yeah, the views are just amazing. I mean, this camera doesn't really do it justice, but yeah, this faces east, so you can see out over all of Walnut Creek and Pleasant Hill, Concord, out that way. That is really, really nice views. Yeah, and this house has, like I mentioned, almost total privacy. There's really, I mean, you can see kind of down here into the neighbor's backyard a little bit, but I don't think anybody can see into this backyard. And yeah, so just a great entertaining spot. Amazing for parties and hanging out. But yeah, this house has it all. I mean, big single story, swimming pool, large flat lot, or relatively flat lot. To me, this is kind of the ultimate. So this is kind of the southwest side of Walnut Creek. So you're close to Highway 24, close to 680, close to downtown, lots of shopping and restaurants, stuff like that. Great schools. Overall, Walnut Creek is really, really nice. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice property in a high-end suburb of the East Bay that's, fairly easily commutable to San Francisco, this might be a good option for you. And yeah, if you or anyone you know is interested, definitely reach out. We can help.